The NuvoH2O Manor Duo water softener system. If you have a home larger than 1,500 square feet and plenty of plumbing to bring fresh water to your taps, the Manor Duo Water Softener Plus Taste Filter System is the ideal water conditioner. The NuvoH2O salt-free water softener system uses revolutionary technology in as little as 3 steps. First, the NuvoH2O Manor Duo system traps the healthy hard minerals instead of removing and replacing them like traditional old-fashioned softeners. CitraCharge bonds to the minerals. Your water flows through your plumbing with no sticking, no mess, and no changes in water pressure. Next, NuvoH2O continues to soften the water by reducing the pH level to a near-perfect neutral 7.0. A healthy pH means no scaling on surfaces or in your water-based appliances. Finally, the NuvoH2O works to remove all existing scale buildup from previous systems or from not having one at all. As your water is softening, your home's water is also being filtered. NuvoH2O uses a 10-micron carbon filter and their proprietary taste system to the water's quality by removing sediment and chemicals up to 95% of chlorine, VOCs, and inorganic chemicals. The comprehensive package includes a system housing, 1 head and 2 sumps, 1 mounting bracket, softener cartridge, carbon taste filter, a wrench, and some special lubricant, as well as an easy-to-read instruction guide. The NuvoH2O weighs 44 pounds and measures 26 by 8 by 8. The best part, it's backed by the impressive NuvoH2O Satisfaction Guarantee. Here are the pros. It's got a compact design, fits almost anywhere. Cartridge and filters last up to 6 months. Developed from 30-plus years of commercial experience. It's very eco-friendly. Here are the cons. An additional extra bypass valve helps the system to condition better. You are continually changing filter and cartridge. Don't forget to check the description box below for more water filtration information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.